Hello. The Republic of Poland. Poland is situated in Central Europe. It lies between the Baltic Sea, Kaliningrad Oblast and Lithuania in the north, and the Sudets and Carpathian mountain ranges in the south. Germany lies to the west. The Czech Republic and Slovakia lie to the south. To the east, it borders Ukraine and Belarus. It has a population of over 38.5 million people. It is divided into 16 administrative subdivisions, and Warsaw is the capital city. Other important cities are Krakow and Gdansk. The Polish-Baltic coastline extends from the islands of Usedom and Wolin in the west to the Krynics Morska on the Vistula Spit in the east, the Bay of Pomerania to the Gulf of Gdansk. Here there are several spits and dunes in this region. A spit is a coastal lake which has been cut off from the sea. The largest spits are Hel Peninsula and the Vistula split. The largest Baltic island is called Wolin. The coastline includes the Bay of Puck, the Vistula Lagoon and another lagoon. Districts of moraines and moraine dam lakes. There are 4 geographically hilly districts of moraines and moraine dam lakes. These lake districts form part of the Baltic Ridge. They lie along the southern shore of the Baltic Sea. The 4 districts are the Pomeranian Lake District, the Greater Polish Lake District, the Masurian Lake District in the northeast, and the Kashubian Lake District. South of the northern European plain are the regions of Lusatia, Silesia, and Masovia. The Polish Tatras consist of the High Tatras, the Western Tatras, and they lie along Poland's southern border. The Tatra Mountains form the highest part of the Carpathians. They average an elevation of 20,000 meters. Other mountain ranges. The second highest mountain range is the Beskins. Another interesting formation is the Table Mountains. Table Mountains in the lower Silesian voivodeship. The Polish Jura chain is one of the oldest on Earth. It is in the south-central part of Poland. The lowest point in Poland, at 2 meters below sea level, is near Elblag in the Vistula Delta. The coalfields are situated in southern Poland in the Bledo Desert. The sand dunes in this national park in the north, bordering the Baltic Sea, can reach 115 meters above sea level. The Bledo Desert was caused by man. The 3 important rivers are the Vistula River, and it is the longest river in Poland. The Oder River forms part of Poland's western border. Both the Vistula and the Oder flow into the Baltic Sea. Then there is the Water River. The karst spring, here we are, is situated in the valley of Pilica in a natural reserve. It is called the Blue Springs and contains calcium salts. Here is the Pomeranian Lake District, and here Lebsko Lake. Lakes. Poland contains the highest number of lakes in the world along with Finland. There are many mountain lakes in the Tatras. Morskie Oko is the largest lake. Beautiful. You can go yachting and windsurfing on the lakes. Here, an ancient woodland in eastern Poland, home to 800 Vicent or European bison. Here is the Masurian Lake District, and here Morskie Oko. Bye-bye.